This is why I can't divorce him, part 1. The fan in the ensuite bathroom stopped working. I know that this is as simple as unscrewing the screws, unplugging the plug, and removing the fan and put a new one. Simple. I was going to do it myself, but hubby insisted to do it, so here we are. I don't know how long since it was installed, but I can see there's a lot of built-up dust on it. Before going to the local hardware store, I needed to make sure that I get the right one, so I had to measure the fan cover and the fan itself, but I'm not sure if I did it right. We did end up getting the right one, as you can see, and now it's just a matter of putting it back on.
Oh, wait.
Just need to make sure that the screws are back on, the plugs are in, and the cover is back on. Job well done, honey.